Okay guys, so how to mix your metals, how to make your room perfect without overdoing your chromes, your brass, or too much black, or whatever your finish is. So I'm going to teach you how to mix your metals without overwhelming your space. So in this particular room, we have an oversized black marble wall that we're dealing with. And with that in mind, I decided to carry it out into my furniture. As you can see, we have a lot of the brass finishes going on with our coffee table. My coffee table base is black, which then I brought in another piece here as an end table and my accessories. So then when we come here, we have another table that's brass that kind of flows in through with my coffee table and up above my light fixture. These three pieces are all the same finish, which is important because you don't want to have everything cut into little pieces with different finishes. You need to have a few of them that are flowing. Rule of thumb, 3, 5, 7 odd numbers. Keep that in mind. The other thing is I wanted to soften up the room, so I brought in some chrome. I have the chrome in my accent chairs, which then I flow right across into my chrome modern bench. So really, the purpose of the chrome in the room is to balance out all of the brass that I have going around in my artwork, in my furniture, in my accessories, and in my light fixture, which is obviously the most extravagant piece of the room. So the chrome, we have one piece plus our accent chairs, and then I did some accessories that's also chrome. Again, it really just balances out the room. It's not to say one stands out more than the other, because when you have them all laying out together, it's just a matter of harmonizing your space. So another area of the house that we decided to do some mixing of the metals is the kitchen / family room. So because we have two spaces to work with, we have to please both. And how do we do that? By mixing our metals. So here we have the black hardware on the kitchen cabinets, which is totally a modern, very sleek look. And then we come over here into the family room and we've done the same. We brought in the black in our light fixture, but then opted to go with a brass finish inside of the dome. And the reason for that is it really just warms up the space. So you have black accent throughout the room, you have brass accents going across the room, and they all just kind of balance each other out between the kitchen and the family room. Okay guys, I'm glad you got to join in on our session of mixing metals. So now you know mixing metals can actually be fun. It doesn't have to be intimidating. You don't have to match everything together. It's okay to mix. It actually makes the room look so much nicer, so much more, I would say, lively, because there's so much to look at, right? So brass, chrome, black, whatever it is, mix it up together, make it look beautiful, make it personal, and make it your space. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe our page. We love to hear your thoughts. Comment below, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.